வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, நான் உங்கள் கோகுல்நாத் பேசுகிறேன். நம்ம சேனல் பேர் தமிழ் ட்ரேடர்ஸ் டெஸ்டினேஷன். இந்த வீடியோ வந்து நம்ம ஆங்கிலத்தில் போட போகிறோம். என்னடா தமிழ் ட்ரேடர்ஸ் டெஸ்டினேஷன் பேர் வச்சுட்டு ஆங்கிலத்தில் வீடியோ போடுறதுன்னு நீங்கள் யோசிக்க வேணாம். இது என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, நம்மளுடைய நண்பர்கள், தமிழ் தெரியாத நண்பர்கள் நிறைய பேருடைய அவங்களுடைய கோரிக்கையின் பேரில் இதை வந்து நான் ஆங்கிலத்தில் போடுறேன். தயவுசெய்து இதையும் பார்த்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். குட் ஈவினிங் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், ஐ எம் கோகுல்நாத். அவர் சேனல் நேம் இஸ் தமிழ் ட்ரேடர்ஸ் டெஸ்டினேஷன். If you like our channel, please subscribe to our channel and support our channel. And if you like the video, please like it and share it to your friends and relatives, and keep supporting us. And today the video what we are going to do is it's same video what we did on Amibroker. Upon your request, I'm just doing the same video in English for your understandings, and it's about the setup, trade setup, what I do in Indian market, like what I do, what are the easy how I make these steps very easy to trade in Indian markets. I only trade on Nifty options. I do option writing as well as option buying, but I preferably say do always option sellings to be very safe. It will be like you can make money consistently, but even if let it be little, but it will be consistent if you do option selling. I'm just going to show you the steps, what all I do. So now I'm just going to show you, share the screen, share my screen, what all the setups I did and how I'm trading on it. Before that, okay, let me share the screen. So now, you can see you can see the screen here. I have written a code, AFL code in my Amibroker, and it's like, in the morning, normally first I'll just monitor on the Nifty, and I'll be I'll monitor on the Nifty, and I'll see like if the Nifty future is going to move up, I'll know okay if the market is going to be bullish. So what I do is I will do bull spread. Now bull put spread, I'm bullish and I'm just going to short the put options. So we call this strategy as bull put spread hedging. So I do hedging on bull put spread, and what I do is I buy lots of put option of less premium, and I sell the put option with high premium. So here you can see like simply now here it's bear call spread. So because market was bearish on the last day, so here the strategy is bear call spread. So market is bearish and we are just going to trade on call spreads. So here for example, in the morning what I do is I'll just go to these parameters. All these things have been coded by myself, so to be easier. So what I do is I go in the morning. So I'll say like if I want to trade on two lots, I'll just put the lot numbers here, and again here I have a field called spread. So here spread size is nothing but the difference between the strike price, the strike price which I select. So here it's 150. 150 means 15,200 is the call option what we are going to short. So if I'm just going to short this 15,200, and if it's 15,200 plus 150, which is 15,350, call option price is 43 rupees, and 15,200 call option is going to be is 101 rupees. So here what I'm doing is when I feel like okay the market is going to fall, I'll be shorting it here. For example, the price is 138, so I'll be selling it at that price, and I'll show you at what time what exactly I'll do. 11:30, let me just put it 11:30. So let me just set it up. So here so you will get an idea what exactly I'm talking about. So on 12th morning, 12:30, okay. So I'm just moving here. Okay. So now I feel market is going to fall. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter the trade. Okay. So now what I feel is 134 rupees. Now I feel market is going to move down. So I'm just coming here to short the call option. The time is 11:15. So at 11:15 we are just going to short the market. We're going to short the call option. So here the spread size is 150. So we are going to trade on 15,200 call option plus 15,350 call option. So here I'm just going to short the market. So what I do is I'm just clicking this short hedge. So everything has been set up in the morning itself, so I no need to worry about anything. I'm just simply clicking on it. See, once I click I'm receiving a message in my Telegram that it's popping up that buy first, it will just go on. To get the margin benefit, we need to buy first and sell next. So if we do that, we need just 26,000 as a capital to trade on for one lot for this edging pairs. So what our system is doing is it's going and buying 15,350 call option, which is at 66 rupees 30 paise, and at the same second, within a 1 second delay, just 1 second delay, it's going to short 15,200 call option for 134 rupees 75 paise. Here you can check the prices actually. See, so it's displaying us the spread differences as well as the same time. Once I decide, I just click on it and it's going to here. I don't need to just go and add the strike price both and go to buy that and then come here, sell this. It will take time. How fast the option premiums move. So at that time, we'll be losing premium. There will be a lot of slippage but after doing this, coming and doing this, we'll be losing a lot of premium. There will be slippage will be there. So to avoid that, I have coded this. So I'm shorting it here. Once I short it here, I'm just getting the message in my Telegram channel where my paid members will be following my calls as well. At the same time, if I'm handling some 3 or 5 clients, all their accounts will be traded at the same time. Whenever the message has been posted in Telegram, it has been posted only after doing all this. Everything will be on the same time. All those 5 accounts will be traded at the same time. Telegram will be having the message. So whatever message we are seeing in Telegram, the same price our trade accounts will be, and it will be traded on our accounts. So maybe some 5 paise, 10 paise fluctuations will be there, slippage will be there, because fraction of seconds the price moves, premium moves. So this is what we do. So we click on this short edge, immediately the trade happens. So after that, what's happening? Market is moving. Yeah. So it's coming down. Coming down. Here what I'm doing is, after doing that, I'm just going to parameters. I'm setting up my what actually do is, our system already has a pre-built stop loss in it. I've written a code, like for example, if 138 means if I kept 160 as a stop loss, whenever the price goes to 160, automatically our stop loss will also be placed at the same time, the 1 second gap. So no need to worry about what if sudden spike comes and what if I'm going to lose huge. We are never going to lose huge, because immediately once we sell it, we are just going to immediately put a stop loss for the trade. So no need to worry about a big spike, and also we are saved, because in option trading, only fear is what if market goes against us once we enter, sometimes we will lose our account, we will square off our account, so blow our account. So it will go on. So our bot will automatically place the stop loss order and it will save us. So at the same time, I will just go to the parameters, and I'm just going to put my target also. Okay, let me see target price. Let it be like, okay, it's 105. So let me put, so this is going to be my target, like let's keep, I'm not sure whether the price has come the place. So okay, so it's going to be 99. Okay, so 99 is going to be my target. So so now I am work, I'll go, because my stop loss is in place and my target is in place, and this target is like virtual target, which will never transfer to the broker unless the price reaches there. So now I'm just moving it. Whenever the price prices hit, and immediately what happened is, once the price touched 99 rupees, my bot is saying, hey, come on, it's time to exit. So what it's saying is, trail the stop loss. Okay, let's close this actually. So what my bot will do is, it will automatically, I have already kept the stop loss at 160 rupees, right? That 160 rupees stop loss will be automatically trailed to 97 rupees 70 paise. Okay, and it will also trail it. It's not actually trailing, it will actually exit here. This one will be exited. Once this exits, it will exit. So it goes and hit my target. Even if I'm busy and I'm going out, I can enter the trade and I can forget it and leave, because my stop loss will be there, and it will also know where to book the profit, because we are feeding it everything, and we are leaving the place with the small margin amount of money. So no need to go and cancel this SL order also, because our SL also order is the only thing which is going to get trailed and hidden. It's going to come out. So this is the setup I'm using. It's very useful because when you're trading, we'll be tensed and we'll be doing some we will do the errors, typo errors, and we will be buying some other. Instead of call option, we'll buy put option. Instead of selling call option, we'll put sell put option. All these type of human errors will be happening because it will be I know how it will be. You all must know that. So again, at the same time, whenever if I feel the market is going to spike up fast, so what I'll do is I'll use it as an opportunity. For example, here, if I feel it's going to move up fast, so let me just buy this immediately. What I'll do is I'll click it here immediately at the same moment. My account, it will be traded in my account. I would have bought it, so immediately I can once I bought, if it's going to be a very big spike, I can use this option. Instead of adding the strike price, I'll just use this option. It will move. It will be like will be in a very good profit. So I use the system, so it's very easy. No need to go and add in a hurry-burry situation. So this is the setup I use. This is the same video which I have posted in Tamil as well, and so the same thing I have posted here upon your request. And thanks for watching this video, and please do support my channel. Thanks. Bye.